Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Math with VK. Today we explore lesson 21 in algebra, exponents and radicals. Number 1, exponent. An exponent indicates the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. We have two definitions, one for positive exponent. A to the n is a times a times a dot 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 times a n times a is the base, a real number. N is the exponent or power, a positive integer. Example, 2 to the 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. Negative exponent. A to the negative n is defined as 1 over a to the n. Example, 2 to the negative 4 is 1 over 2 to the 4, which is 1 over 16. The positive and negative exponent are useful to derive properties of exponents. Two properties of exponent. Let a be non-zero real number and n be positive integer. Then we have the following property. Product rule. An times am is an plus m. You can quickly see an example. 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 2 is 2 to the 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 2 is 2 times 2. Oh, well, we have 2 to the power 5. Quotient rule. An over am is an minus m. Example, 2 to the 3 over 2 square, which is 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2. Cancel a common factor. So we have 2, which is the same as 2 to the power 1. Nice, huh? 0 power. A to the power 0 is 1. Example, 2 to the power 0. Well, it's 2 to the power. You can take 1 minus 1. Just 1 minus 1 is 0. So using the quotient rule, we have 2 to the 1 over 2 to the 1, which is 1. Very nice. Power of exponent. An to the power m is an times m. Example, 2 square to the power 3. Now this 2 square times 2 square times 2 square, which is 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the power 6. We have two more properties. We have a times b to the power n. This would be an times bn. Here come example. 2 times 3. Let's say to the power 2 here. This is 2 times 3 multiplied by 2 times 3. 2 square times 3 square. Cool, huh? A over b to the power n. An over bn. Example. 2 over 3 to the power 2. 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. 2 times 2 is 2 square. 3 times 3 is 3 square. 3 radicals. A radical is the root of a number. It is derived from the Latin word radix, which means root. We have a different kind of radical, beginning with square root. Square root of a number is written as this notation, square root a. It can be expressed in the exponent form as a to the power 1 over 2. The requirement is that a has to be non-negative. This is because, let's take a look at a few examples. Example, square root of 4. This one would be 2, because we can square both sides to undo the square root. And when we do that, well, we get 4 equals 4. Check. However, square root of negative 4 is undefined. Because when we square a number, we cannot get a negative number. Because if square root of negative 4 is equal to some number a, then when we square both sides, what we have here is negative 4 is equal to a square. A square is positive. Negative 4 is negative, which is not true. Okay. Q root. Square root and write the number 3 right here. Exponent form is a 1 over 3. A here can be positive or negative or 0. It doesn't matter. And root square root a, write n. Exponent form a 1 over n. And here A is non-negative for even n. Now, we need to evaluate radical. In order to do that, we need to take a look at a few properties of radical. Only a few. First property is square root AB, which is AB to the power 1 over 2. Now, using exponent rule, we have A1 over 2, B1 over 2. And it is root A, root B. Very useful. Second property of radical. Root of A square. This one, the square root and the power 2 gonna cancel out. However, inside the square root, the number has to be positive. So this is absolute value of A. One more. The nth root of A to the power m. That is am to the power 1 over n. Using exponent rule, we have a m times 1 over n, which is a m over n. You guys ready? Let's do some example. Example. Simplify. A root of 18. Root 18 is root of 9 times 2, which is root 9, root 2. Root 9 is 3, so 3, root 2. B. Square root of 16 x. So this is the root of 16x to the power 1 over 2. And then the square root is another power 1 over 2. So it's going to be 16x 1 over 2 using exponent rules times 1 over 2. We have a 16x to the power 1 over 4. 1/4 is the same as the fourth root. So this one is the fourth root of 16. The fourth root of x. Fourth root of 16 is 2, because 16 is 2 to the 4. So 2 fourth root of x. Most people prefer to write this as 2x to the 1/4. This form is very useful in calculus. C. 9 to the power 3 over 2. That is the same as, you can evaluate this one. 9 is 3 square. So 3 over 2, which is 3 2 times 3 over 2, 2 cancel out. So we have 3q, and that is 27. D. √18. Well, we know √18 is 3√2. Because 2 times 3√2. And that would be, we multiply the number together. So 6√2. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the content useful. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video.